Imagine a startup that decided to skip the senior hiring phase, betting entirely on AI employees. For the first month, it looked like a stroke of genius. Features were shipping daily. The UI was slick, the API responses were fast, and the founders were posting screenshots of their productivity gains. But then, their drift started. A minor edge case in the payment flow began dropping 1 out of every 1,000 transactions. When they asked the AI to fix it, the patch looked correct, but it silently introduced a race condition in the inventory service. 2 weeks later, the database connection pool began leaking, and no one knew why. This is the AI employee lie in action. The belief that because a model can generate a functional snippet, it can maintain a cohesive system. We're confusing the speed of typing with the depth of engineering. Today, we are breaking down the structural wall that prevents LLMs from reaching senior level reasoning and why your most valuable engineers are the ones writing the least amount of code. Common intuition suggests that if an AI can solve a lead code hard in seconds, it's only a matter of time before it's a senior architect. But this is a category error. While LLMs operate on the syntax side of the wall, they are probabilistic engines that predict the next token based on billions of examples. They understand the shape of code, but they lack a mental model of the system state. A senior engineer doesn't just write code, they manage constraints. They know that while the AI's suggested library is popular, it has a documented memory leak in the specific environment the company uses. They know that optimizing a query in the billing service will actually bottleneck the downstream legacy reporting tool. The AI produces code that is syntactically perfect, but semantically hollow. It's like building a ship of Theseus, where every individual plank is polished, but the whole is missing its structural ribs. The AI can tell you how to write a transaction. The senior knows why you shouldn't use a transaction in this specific high-throughput microservice. The biggest lie is that context windows are the same as experience. Even with a million token window, an AI only sees the code you give it. It doesn't have access to the tribal knowledge, the meeting from 2021, where the team decided to use a specific caching strategy because the cloud provider had a weird latency spike in the US East 1 region. Senior engineers are the curators of this invisible context. They understand the non-functional requirements that are never written in the Jira ticket, the security implications of a specific dependency, the long-term maintenance cost of a clever abstraction, and the human cost of a complex deployment pipeline. An AI agent is a high-speed junior. It can generate 1,000 lines of code in seconds, but it has no skin in the game. It doesn't have to wake up at 3 a.m. when the hallucinated architectural choice finally causes a cascading failure. Engineering is not about producing the most code, it's about making the fewest, most impactful decisions. When you use AI to replace senior oversight, you enter a dangerous feedback loop. Since the AI makes writing code free, teams tend to produce more of it. But code isn't an asset, it's a liability. Every line generated by an AI is a line that a human must eventually understand, debug, and maintain. Without a senior engineer to say no to unnecessary complexity, the codebase grows exponentially. We call this the maintenance singularity. It's the point where the AI-generated technical debt accumulates faster than the human team can refactor it. You end up with a ghost architecture, a system where no single person understands the flow of data because the AI employee that built it doesn't actually exist to explain its reasoning. The senior's role is shifting from being the primary writer to being the editor-in-chief. Their job is to prevent the AI from drowning the company in its own efficient but incomprehensible output. So, where does this leave us? The senior engineer isn't being replaced, they're being promoted to a higher level of abstraction. If the AI employee is a high-powered excavator, the senior is the civil engineer who knows where to dig so the building doesn't collapse. We are moving toward a world where the senior role is defined by three things: intent, verification, and accountability. Intent is knowing what to build to solve a business problem, not just a technical one. Verification is the ability to spot the subtle logic flaw in a 500-line AI pull request. And accountability is being the one who owns the system's reliability. The AI employee lie fails because it assumes engineering is a solved problem that just needs more typing. But software is a living organism. It requires empathy, foresight, and a deep understanding of human constraints, things that a statistical model, no matter how large, simply cannot simulate. The future of engineering isn't about competing with the machine, it's about directing it. The most successful developers will be those who master the architectural context, the ability to bridge the gap between human needs and machine-generated implementation. Don't worry about the AI that can write code. Worry about the engineer who stops learning how systems actually work under the hood. Because when the AI eventually hits the wall, you're the one who needs to know how to climb it.